With that in mind, let's connect this kind of stuff to business results. How much do leadership and team performance impact the growth when it comes to what we've been talking about?
Oh, I mean, it's everything. It's everything. I mean, if you have the systems, you have the processes, you have the right people in the right places, you understand who you are as a leader and how you lead, and you've surrounded yourself with, again, the right people to take that leadership, it will grow itself, right? You create a system that runs on its own, which is always the goal. If you have to continually micromanage every piece, you can't grow your business because you're just locked into the day-to-day, and it's never ending, and it'll wear you out really fast. And that's where you start to feel depressed about your state, and you start to think, man, like, maybe I need to get out of this business, and is it worth it? And all the time you're putting in. But the opposite of that is once you have those structures and you've made that your number one priority, and you've got the right people in the right places, it just starts to kind of click along on its own. And then you can step back and say, okay, well, now that it's moving in the right direction, all I have to do is maintain this, make sure I'm keeping an eye on everybody, and making sure I'm putting the right building blocks in there. And then you can start working on building the company out and taking it in the direction that you want.